having all the snow and playing outside? Well, yeah, actually, Julie, isn't there any somewhere to rest or stuff? I'm pretty, freezing now. Isn't it? Well, I bet we're in luck. Look at there. There's a place to go in. So, why don't we go there? Yeah, that pretty is a great idea. I mean, we must go there. Oh my god, this place is so huge to us. And maybe Mom is gonna go in here. Yeah, I heard that there is some crazy, awesome hair salon. Really? Yeah. Now, you go and lock, or maybe open the door, okay? I'll just wait here until someone opens it. Okay. Yeah, I know a lot of this place, so I'm thinking of opening up. Oh, AG Hair Salon! Look, there's a hot issue. Cute hairstyle you want is available. AG Hair Salon made by Caroline Abbott and Kit Kittredge. Wow, they are two super hairstylists. We must go there. Yeah, I mean, anyways, we are the first one. We're waiting. Let's go. La la la. Welcome. Ooh, there's some customer. Welcome to AG Hair Salon. It's me, Caroline Abbott. So, are you guys first time here? Or are you guys here for a long time? Actually, first time. Ooh, okay. We have to do some paper thing. That would be pretty. Do you have a pen? Yes, sure. I will give it to you. Write my name and my friend's one too. Yes, you have to. Sorry, my voice a little changed. Have a great time and have a great hairstyle. Well, but there's too much customer. Let's just wait. Yeah. Oh, the hairstylists are here. We're so great. Yeah, kids, did you see my coat? I bought this for $1,000. Okay. Anyways, McKenna Brooks, it's your time to get your super little hairstyle from Kit Kittredge Hairstylist. Okay, stop. McKenna would hate that. Or whatever. Yes, you have to get your tape on before you get the hairstyle. Mia, I'll do your hair pretty. Don't worry. I mean, I'm a super little hairstylist. So, yeah, why don't you enjoy? Let's just brush your hair first. La 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 la. Getting the hairbrush out of my finger. Maybe. La 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 la. Oh, tying the hairbrush. Oh yeah. Oh yes, and that just happened. Are you washing my hair? Yes. Ooh, that looks great. You may go, Mia. Thank you for coming. Hey, it's our time. Yeah, I mean, totally. salon. It looks pretty great. Yeah. Brushing the la la. I'm sorry about my singing skill. Anyways, I'll just tire a little bit here and brush it. Why isn't this coming out? Oh, finally. Yes, there is your lovely little braid. Miss Julie, I'm gonna get your elastic out. And yeah, ta-da! Hey, it's me, Julie. Do I look gorgeous or what? No, same, right? Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my goodness! Wait! Oh my god! Oh, somebody help! Somebody help! Oh my gosh! Julie! Are you okay? Yeah, so can you get me out? Okay, sure. Yeah. Did you enjoy our little blooper thing? Now, it's time for some blooper! Woohoo! Okay, I'm going to be Serena, and it's time for happy backgrounds. Go blend as a hairstylist. Caroline Abbott as the owner of the AG Hair Salon. As a hairstylist. Miranda Grace as another customer. Mia St. Clara as another customer. McKenna Brooks as another customer. Miss Teddy as another customer, but I'm so sorry, Miss McKenna. But can you just turn around? Okay, I won't. Oh my goodness, look at the hair. Whoa! That always happens. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I'm fine. Here, my hair is like this. Isn't it so pretty? Now, bye. This living is like a rock and roll. La 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 Whoa. Wait a second. I wasn't la-da-la-da-la-da. Okay, now why weren't I? Oh, just be quiet. This is all for pretty persons, okay? Well, I am not a pretty person. Because you're not a queen with us. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. Right, guys? Comment down below if you think I'm pretty or not. And also, you have to comment down below if you like this video or not. And some give me advice, okay, to make more good videos. La. Anyways, I was the first telling who was who. I was the second of telling who and who. I was a customer. Since I was a golden bear, I'm a golden bear. Oh yeah. Hey, anyways, oops. Actually, I was the one with Tyler. Oh yeah. I know that I look really sad. You go, wait! Where